Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a brand new product that I'm very excited to share with you. And I'm going to use that product along with the So Hoppy Together stamp set to create a friendship card, or perhaps a card for somebody young or somebody young at heart. I'm going to use Granny Apple Green as my card base this week. I've cut it 11 by 4 1/4 and scored it at the 5.5 mark. And then to that, I'm going to add a layer of Whisper White. I'm going to put the card base aside for a minute, and I'm going to work with the Whisper White base first, and then I'll adhere it to the card base. I've taken 2 of the stamps from the So Hoppy Together stamp set. I've got the frog that's standing up and the little flies that are so cute. And I'm going to ink them up using Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And then I'm going to color them with my Stampin' blends. Okay, so there's the frog. And here are the flies. And then I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green Stampin' blends for the frog. And I'm going to use Mango Melody for the little flies. So I will start coloring them, and then I will finish off coloring them, and then I'll be back so that you don't have to sit and watch me color for a few minutes. All right, I've finished coloring the flies and the frog. I used the darker color of the Granny Apple Green for the stomach of the frog, and then the lighter green for the rest of the frog. And then I did something very similarly, but the reverse really. With the Mango Melody, I did the darker on the wings and the lighter on the stomach of the flies. Now here's what I'm so excited to share with you. Stampin' Up! Has come out with some corresponding framelits. They're called Hop Around, and they are designed to coordinate with the So Hoppy Together stamp set. So no more fussy cutting. You'll be able to stamp, color, and die cut. And here's what's really fun about this, is that Stampin' Up! Has come out with, in the framelits pack, some additional framelits that will be really fun to play with. So there's a lily pad, and then there are 2, I guess, water lilies. So I'm going to coordinate everything together and die cut everything out at the same time, hopefully, and then finish off the card. So I'm going to bring in my magnetic platform with the bottom standard cutting pad, and then I'm just going to trim off the paper because I want everything to fit onto my magnetic plates and die cut at the same time. So I've got the frog. So I'll use the frog framelits and the fly. Here they are here. Okay, and then I'm just going to slide those up a little bit. Nope, I'm not. There's a magnetic pull from the plates. My goodness, hang on a second, bear with me. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in the lily pad, and I have a scrap piece of Granny Apple Green, and then I am going to cut out 2 lilies using a scrap piece of Mango Melody. Now on the back side of the Mango Melody piece, I've used some, the Sizzix adhesive sheet. There we go, my goodness. All right, so let me bring this in so you can see. And then I'm gonna put the top standard cutting pad on, hold it all down, and then slide it through. And let's have a look at everything. So, oops, there's my frog. Here's my 3 little flies, and they're cut out independent of each other. So I'll be able to use them in different spots. Here's the lily pad, and here are the lilies. So let's get everything all set up. There we go. Move this out of the way. And, oh, there's one other thing I want to do for my card. I took the well-written framelets, and I created a layer of Mango Melody, and I've got the adhesive sheet behind that as well, because I want to use the word friend on the front of my card. So let's run that through as well. And then I'll have a word for the front of my card, or a phrase, I guess you could say. Okay, and I'll use my little tool here to help me poke out the framelit from the metal die. Okay, now let's put everything together. So I'm going to start off with my lily pad, and then I'm going to do my little frog, like so, and then I'm going to move this over a little bit, and I'm going to put the word, the friend, up here, and then, yep, okay. Now that I know what I want to do, let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to use some snail adhesive, and I'm going to adhere the lily pad first, and then I'm going to put the little frog on. Then I'm going to peel the adhesive sheet off the back of the lilies and put them right on the lily pad. Like so. And then I'm going to take the friend and peel it away from the sticker on the backing. There we go. And then I've got these 3 little flies, and I'm going to use some fine tip glue. I've got the fine tip glue pen, and I'm going to adhere them down, let them dry, and I'll be back in a second and I'll show you how I'm going to finish off the card. There we go. I have everything adhered down, it's all dry, and it's ready to attach to the front of my card. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to add one of the little gold pearls, gold metallic little dots for the eye on the friend. And then one final touch that I might add after the video is over. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I will. I have some Granny Apple green ribbon. So I think what I'll do is I will tie a knot at the top of my card. I won't take the time to do that now, but what I will do is I'll put a picture of the final card, a final photo of the card, over on my blog, which is www.nutsaboutstamping.com. So I'm very happy to introduce to you these new Hop Around framelits. They are available for purchase. So you can actually go onto my online store. You can purchase $50 or more, get the So Hoppy Together stamp set for free until March 31st. And then as part of your $50 purchase, you can get the Hop Around framelits, and then you can coordinate them to make really cute cards like this. While you're on my blog, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletters. I send a free newsletter every week, and I'll show you a project idea that you won't see anywhere else. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you create something fun and fabulous today too. Bye for now.